show.
One of the poorest countries in the world gets some much-needed help thanks to a local church. These mobile clinics will soon head to South Sudan and help to treat the sick and injured there. Members of Covenant Presbyterian Church are teaming up with other community organizations to raise $65,000 to ship the 3 units. The clinics come with a lab, exam room, pharmacy, and other medical essentials.
It's going to benefit them greatly. South Sudan is the newest country in the world. The infrastructure is very poor. There's 4.4 million people displaced. 2.5 million people were killed during the civil war in South Sudan. And so there's a great need for medical help.
Members of Covenant Presbyterian are dedicated to improving health care of third world countries. They've already sent 6 clinics to Haiti.